Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the size of the text in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Google Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to go into a document that we want to edit. And here it opens up like this. Then we have to tap on the pencil icon to start writing and editing. Then we have to tap on the A in the top row. And then here we find size. And with these arrows we can increase the size of the text, as you can see here on the bar, or decrease it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.